Okay, so this is the question 3 from exam 2 from the 2018 NHT exams. Okay, so let's have a look. It's got a histogram. It's got 3 parts, A, B, and C. And we're looking at some weight distribution of birds living in a small zoo. So it says describe the distribution of this displayed in histogram 1. So it's looking like this. So it's going to be, and so the way I look at it is it trails off to the positive. So it's going to be positively skewed, okay? But we've got these things here. And if you make sure you count these, and so it's going to have, so that's like 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 there, 1 there. So with 3 possible outliers. Oops, can't spell properly. Okay. All right, so 3 possible outliers. Now, what percentage of these birds weigh less than 1,000 grams? Now, here's where you've got to be really careful. Okay, so this is 1,000, this would be 3,000, etc., etc. So we're looking at this number here. Okay, so what percentage weigh less than 1,000? Because we're looking at less than 1,000. We go up here and we count to here, and that's going to give us 102. All right, so that's 102. But to work out a percentage, we've got 102 out of, and it's out, in this case, it's out of 143. So we're going to go 102 divided by 143 times 100, and that will give us a value of 71.3%. Remember, the 143 was from up here, from the top part of the question, so don't forget that bit. Okay, now if we come down to question C, histogram 2 shows the weight distribution of those same birds plotted on a log 10 scale. Because we're talking about grams here, all right? The way we've got to translate this in terms of the log value, this equates to 1 gram. This equates to 10 grams, because it's like saying 10 to the 0 is 1, 10 to the 1 is 10, 10 to the 2 is 100, 10 to the 3 is 1,000, 10 to the 4 is 10,000, and 10 to the 5 is 100,000. So it's saying here, for example, from between 0 and 1, so between 1 gram and 10 grams, I've got 17, and that's how you'd work it. So in this case, we're between these two. We're between 10 grams and 100 grams, and we count up. We go 35 and got 2 extra, so we're going to say 37, not grams. How many are the birds? So we're going to say there's 37 of them. And that's how you'd answer a question like this with when it's got a log 10 scale. Okay.